Hey guys, this is One Man, One Camera. Today we're doing something a wee bit different than I usually do. Recently, Jacob's Life in Vegas released a video showing the large decreases in the visitor statistics. So, what I want to do today is just show you guys where you can find those numbers at, just in case you want to do your own thing. So, if you go to lvcva.com/research/visitor statistics, and you will find this schedule right here, well, this page right here, which says visitor statistics. Okay, this is done by the LVCVA, the Las Vegas Convention and Visitor Authority. Okay, so you have your May 2020 executive summary, your year-to-date summary for 2020, year-end summary for 2019, and year-end summary for 2018. These are all the same spreadsheets, the same formatted spreadsheets. Okay, so just for laughs, let's take a look first at the May 2020. So you click on it, and it gives you this nice sheet, and with the stats at a glance, you can see the year-on-year change for the visitor volume is down 96%, convention center is down 100%, occupancy is down 88%, revenue per available room down 98.7%. Okay, all right, we all expected that. Okay, so then down here you have more of a breakdown of what's going on, the weekend occupancy, midweek occupancy, that sort of thing. And then if you go to the right, you see over here you have your year-on-year change for May 2020 year-to-date versus May 2019 year-to-date. Okay, all very nice. And then you also get included the Laughlin numbers and the Mesquite numbers. And there's your summary, and there's all your numbers. But you say, well, hey man, I want a spreadsheet because I want to, play with the numbers myself. That's no problem. If you go here, get your year-to-date summary for 2020, and I've already downloaded it. And let's just open the baby up right here. Okay, here's the spreadsheet, and as you can see, your tourist indicators, and this goes all the way out to December 2020, but they have not released information for June forward 2020. Okay, so just to make sure we can all see everything a little bit better, I'm going to freeze the frames, and then I'm going to enlarge the font. Okay, I've enlarged the font. And so as you can see, the visitor volume in January 3.5 million, February 3.3 million, then March is when everything began to drop off because of the virus. Okay, and then April and May numbers, okay. This spreadsheet will show you all of the visitor statistics. You get the visitor volume, convention center attendance, room inventory, occupancies, average daily room rates, room per available room, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, and then if you're wondering, if you do download this thing, if you're wondering, well, hey man, well, how do they get the total occupancy? Well, you take the, just real quick, you take the available room inventory, 149,900, and there were 31 days in January times 31. That gives you 4.46 million room nights available. Put that in memory. And then if you go down a little bit more, it tells you, well, these are the total room nights occupied. Whoops, hey, get back here. Whoops, hang on a second. Whoops. Okay, and if you take the 3,990,123 divided by memory recall, you get the 85.9, okay? 85.9%, okay, fine. And then you get your average daily, and it shows you all these occupancy rates in different areas. And your average daily room rate, your strip rate, and downtown rate, okay? And then you have your average daily room rate is going to be your room revenue earned divided by the number of rooms sold. Okay, fine. Now, this guy right here, revenue per available room, I had never heard of this. Had to look it up actually. And what it is if you take the average daily room rate of 153.40, multiply by the total occupancy of 85.9%, you get this 131.77. Okay, so that's where it comes from. I am not sure how they use it. If someone knows, just chime in a bit in the comment section. Okay, and then passenger planes. Now here's what people are mostly probably worried about or wondering: is the money earned? And you see, January had all this money coming in, $905 million, and it was down a little bit in February. And then of course it drops off in March and just drops off. It's broken down by Strip, Downtown, and Boulder Strip. Now here's the thing, if you were to add up this bit right here, that's only 700 only. That comes to $703 million. And there's a $200 million swing, which I'm not sure what it is. So let's just stick a line in there so we can follow these numbers. So I'm going to write down everywhere else. Okay. So then if we take the total Clark County revenue, back out the strip, back out the downtown, and back out the Boulder strip, you get like this difference of $200 million. Now I am not sure what that is, but I'm presuming that it belongs to the small little gaming places which have machines, the your 7-Elevens, your Dotties, your supermarkets, and would Red Rock be included in here? I'm not sure, but I was just surprised these numbers didn't fit, and I wish they would have had a line saying everywhere else or something, with the asterisk saying what, you know, or something anyway. Okay, and then tax information. Okay, now people were wondering, well, you know, how was the year-on-year 2019 to 2020? Well, let's take a look. You see, so the visitor volume was up in January and February. See, things were looking good. Convention attendance, it was down a little bit. Up in January, down in February, okay, and so on. And then you get your room rates and so on and so on. And then if you come down here to the revenues, to the gaming revenue, you see overall it was up 5.1%. Not bad. The strip was up 7.5%, but check this out. Downtown was up 13.5% in January 2020 compared to January 2019. And then Boulder Strip was down 12.2%. Now, I can't remember, but maybe there was what do you want to say? There was a closure of a casino down there or something, but I cannot remember. So someone knows of a significant incident which happened in the Boulder Strip to cause, or why they believe it will cause this number to drop significantly, just let us know, because I think something closed, but I can't remember what it was. In February 2020, it's only up 0.5%, and then you see the strip revenue, you know, almost 1% or so, and then downtown dropped by 4.1%, which is really strange, right? You're up in January, down in February. That's kind of weird. So anyway, and so on and so on. You see, and so this spreadsheet can't, oh, I'm sorry. And then also they have also down here the Laughlin numbers and the Mesquite numbers, if you want to take a look at those. Okay. So overall, this is a very, very good spreadsheet, I think, because it's publicly available, and if you want it, just grab it and look at it, and maybe you want to save it, whatever, and all those things. So that is pretty good. Now, one thing, the room tax, we all love the room tax, right? I found this adopted annual budget report, and I apologize, I couldn't find it again. Maybe I just lost it, I don't know. Anyway, if you go to page 122 on this report, and it shows the room tax rate distribution by jurisdiction as of June 30, 2019. So check it out. Clark County, you're paying 13.38%, 13.375% in room tax, and so on. And then you have others within 35 miles, others outside of 35 miles. And you say, well, 35 miles of what? 35 miles of the convention center. That's the center. Interesting. So where's the money go? In this case, you see it goes to State of Nevada, Clark County School District, and so on and so on. And then here you go, look at this. The Stadium Authority. That is the Allegiant Stadium. How interesting, right? That's where the room taxes were funding, or have been funding, Allegiant Stadium. Very nice. And then it gives you different areas, and there are also their room tax rate. All right, you guys, I didn't know this would go so long. This is like, what, 13 minutes or so? I do apologize for that. I thought it'd be maybe a 5-minute thing. I'm really sorry about that. But like I say, if you do want these numbers, they are available publicly on this website, lvcva.com/research/visitor-statistics. Like I said, you get your monthly summaries. I think this is only there once, and then it'll change to June, and then July, and so on. Get your year-to-date summary for 2020, your year-end summary for 2019, and year-end summary for 2018. And there's also this guy right here, historical statistics from 1970 to 2019. Let's open this guy up real quick, just to, I forget what this was. Oh, right. You see, and this gives you how many, what is this? Visitor volume, convention attendance, room inventory. I don't know if I can make this bigger. Can I make this bigger? Okay, cool. So let's start again. from 1970 to 2019, visitor volume, convention attendance, and room inventory, and blah, 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 blah. Okay, and you go all the way down, and you can always see how things have gone. And, you know, and even if you want to go like 2008, and you can see how, here's 2000, what were we at? 2006 was 30, was like, let's say 39 million, 39 million, 2008, 37 million, 2009, 36.4 million. See, and the, what is this? Convention attendance drop, and so on. So anyway, all of these things are available online freely to anyone who wishes to take a look, which I think is pretty good because if you want to look at your own numbers, if you want to look at the numbers yourself just to get a feel of how things are going, you can do it. All right, you guys, that will just about do it. And I apologize again for this being so long. I thought it would be a quickie video, but my fault, I guess. I didn't make a very good summary, I guess. So anyway, please enjoy. And any questions, or if you want to comment about these numbers, or if you thought it was that good or that bad, just you know, go ahead and comment, you guys. So like I always say, we know what I say. Anyway, so take care of everybody, guys, and please enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Cheers.